we are against the carbon tax. We would join Saskatchewan, likely Alberta and other provinces in fighting against that. And here's why. It's going to add roughly 4 cents to start to the price of a litre of gas. But if you understand the economics of how carbon pricing works, and I'm quite certain my colleague beside me does, that needs to escalate significantly to actually have the desired impact. So when you look at the studies that have been done by economists around what level of tax you'd have to achieve to affect that behavior change, it can be 3 and 4 times that. And our assessment right now is that affordability is a really big issue for Ontarians. Increasing the price of gas by 4 cents when there's already close to 40 cents a tax on it is just another tax. We do need to seriously look at the various ways to make sure that we manage the environment more effectively, but putting more strain on working people in terms of driving, and particularly in a town like Ajax, in a region like Durham, where so many of us use our cars to get around, just doesn't seem fair or the right thing to do right now. So I guess in my experience, just because there's a problem doesn't mean that every solution is the right solution. I don't believe, for the reasons I said, and it's just a difference of opinion, that the carbon tax at the level that we're talking about is going to modify behavior. I think it would have to be 3 to 4 times that. So we're talking about raising gas prices by 15, 18, 20 cents a litre. And the example of this is really in some of the other government's this Liberal government's failed initiatives. Kathleen Wynne and Joe Dickson wasted $9.2 billion on green energy programs. And the Auditor General, that's not the PC party or the Green Party speaking, that's them speaking, saying they tried to create a windmill industry on the same kind of premise. So I agree with you about the problem. I don't agree about the solution. It is something we have to address, but I do not think that laying a carbon tax on is the right thing now. Yeah.